Excuse me, folks. What's going on? This is Jacob Shoup. You're watching the Tom O'Brien Show. I hope you all have been having a fantastic day. Man, just some more movement to the upside on essentially no volume whatsoever. Not necessarily like the headlines have been good at all. Lutnick throwing out some stuff regarding putting tariffs on foreign car manufacturers that even manufacture and assemble in the U.S. So, you know, that's bizarre. Retail is buying a lot of what this is. Now, of course, some positive news for sure is you're getting the 10-year yields coming down, okay? So this is really positive, right? We're at 4.17% in that 10-year. That is pretty lovely. Dollar coming up a little bit, strengthening just a tad at 99.20 as it stands now. USD Japanese yen, okay, still going down. We're at 142, but man, even on the 5 days, we are red. That's okay, that's fine. I mean, listen, there's obviously some kind of positive. This is so wild to me. I mean, it really is. There is some confidence in this market. I don't know if it's a little unfounded. I mean, I really do think Tesla behaving the way that it did on earnings is pretty wild. Did that hit what? Okay, give me a second. No, it didn't at all. 228 roughly. I mean, hey, right? You can sit there and have all the, you know, theses you want and everything, and you know, sometimes the market will just do what it does, right? And this is going up. I mean, Bitcoin is tracking back to 100,000, which is very impressive move since the beginning of this month. You're trading around what? I think a low here about 74,800. Yeah, it's pretty impressive. You're looking at the SPY right now, trading up 0.68% at 554. You have the composite trading up 0.62% at 17,475. Man, the Dow Jones Industrial trading up 0.87%, trading up 348 points at 40,575. With those Russell futures also trading up 0.78% at 19,087. I mean, this is almost just shaking off anything to do with the tariffs, because definitely, and I know we discussed this a little bit, and yes, some of the smaller companies, you know, in the Russell might benefit from tariffs, but you know, a lot of, you know, small companies get crushed in that environment, right? And it's just kind of like we're behaving like they're not going to be a problem. Okay, so you know, interesting for sure. Again, went over the DXY, but trading at 99.21, trading up 0.17%. Gold coming down a little bit, really, again, trading in this just kind of narrow range, okay? You're up about 0.41%, trading at 3,330. I'm just going to say 3 because I want to say 4 threes. On that note, look at Goro. I mean, now this is rallying, maybe not for any particular reason that I could find. Quite a lot of volume on the day prior. Bizarre. We were up 32.84%. Now, these guys had pretty bad earnings. So I'm not really sure what's dragging this company to the upside right now. It does not seem like there's any kind of news for them, and it doesn't seem like anything's improved for them materially. So kind of interesting. Let's see here. We're gonna go over one stock. I want to talk about Nucor at the end of the show. Taking a look at Teradyne here. We only got about 4 minutes left here. We're going to go over to Basil here briefly for the first segment and then into the second segment. You're off 1.24%, okay? So actually did not do too bad on earnings. Man, this is going to require a little bit more time than I have to talk about it. This is weird. You know, I was looking at their financials. I didn't realize exactly how much exposure that they had to China. And, you know, instead of just looking at with China, let's take a look at what their, you know, percent of revenue comes from the U.S. And I was genuinely horrified to find out that it was about 13% last year. And that is very risky. But there's some stuff in their outlook that I think is worth reading, not necessarily pro Teradyne. I'm actually now kind of reading through some of their earnings, what they said, and then really their global exposure. little bit nervous with that company deciding to try to take a play. There's just nothing I'm seeing right now, really, in all of my kind of analysis that I want to get into in any major way. Yeah, it's bizarre. Okay, listen, let's go over right